That's where my front porch should be. The wind has kept the car cleared off. Snow overhang on the roof over there. Well, you can see where the snow's drifted on against my car. I don't know if you can see it, but where the snowplows have been going down my street, there's about a 4-foot drift of snow. You can kind of see where my neighbors have been digging out. I'm not digging out until tomorrow. I'll get out and Aiden and I can dig this out in a couple of hours and the fella can go to work. Here's the front of my car, with the snow packed in the grill. There's a neighbor walking his dog way over there. I hope you can hear the wind blowing. It's pretty crazy. Okay, that's enough.